Fandom cookbook. So we got Doctor Who, the official cookbook from 2016. So this has 166 pages. Hardcover, same as the jacket. It also has an index. Yep, so this is everything in here up to 2016. Yep. Did I like this book? Yeah, definitely. It was a cool book. Will I be buying this book? No. Unfortunately, I don't know. It didn't click with me like most books do. Some cookbooks are good, others are just kind of... So this one was kind of... Yeah. So... There's a table of contents. So if you're a die-hard Whovian, you don't have this book, you should get this book. Some have pictures, some don't. Title, bleh. What it makes, directions, what you need, and fun stuff. So this is basically, your average deal if you want to impress your friends and shit or have a Whovian party. Some of these have multiple pages to them for directions, FYI. They do look interesting though. Like a lot of these look really interesting to make. It's just, I don't know, don't feel like it. And these pages are silky too. But, yeah. Yeah, this is one of those that requires patience. And guess you don't have patience, me. But if you have patience, you can get through this. But me, I'm good. Yeah, I do love my fandom cookbooks. I do like that. They're really good. But, I don't know. It just didn't click with me like it should have, which is a bummer. But it is cool. I still haven't watched Doctor Who. It's one of the fandoms I'm not into. It's interesting. I just don't really care for it, to be honest. Not my jam. Do you feel it? Winter is coming. Oh no. This one I would want to make. The Peekaboo Pandorica cake. It's interesting. And it does appeal to me, so it's like the one recipe in this I actually like. So. Yeah. I feel like if they took out all the shots from the show and replaced it with more recipes, it would have been a lot better, I guess. They have cook's tips as well. So. But if you don't like Doctor Who, this isn't a book for you. If you don't like cooking, definitely not for you. But if you enjoy those two things, definitely try it out. And of course, there's templates for you to use and cut out. But since this is a library book, you have to make copies. But if you own it, you can just do the same thing, or just cut them out if you wish. And we're done. So, on to the next.